Everyone, back with another transcript from the Trump trial. I wanted to talk about this one issue that came up with Judge Merchan addressing Trump saying that the judge was gagging him. I'm Eliza Orland's career public defender here in Manhattan for the last 14 years. Okay, so this is at the start of the proceedings on Friday, May 3rd. And as soon as the proceedings start, everyone gives their appearances and the judge says, "Good morning, everyone. Before we put the witness on the stand, there is one issue I did want to clarify, and I'm addressing this to Mr. Trump. It came to my attention that there may be a misunderstanding regarding the order restricting extrajudicial statements and how it impacts upon Mr. Trump's right to testify at trial. I think it's important that I clear up any misunderstanding that might exist. I want to stress, Mr. Trump, that you have an absolute right to testify at trial if that is what you decide to do after consultation with your attorneys. That is a constitutional right that cannot be denied or abrogated in any way. It is a fundamental right that cannot be infringed upon, just as you have the absolute right not to testify if that is what you decide to do after consultation with your lawyer. The order is restricting extrajudicial statements. That does not prevent you from testifying in any way. It does not prohibit you from taking the stand, and it does not limit or minimize what you can say from the witness stand. In fact, as the name of the order indicates, it only applies to extrajudicial statements. That is, statements that are made outside of court. It does not apply to statements made from the witness stand. Please let your attorneys know if you have any lingering doubts or questions that need to be clarified, and I will try to answer them for you." And then Trump says, "Thank you." And the judge says, "You're welcome. Anything else?" And then they move on from there. Now, the reason I wanted to address that is, and listen, thankfully, a lot of these articles that were covering him claiming that he was not allowed to testify because the judge had unconstitutionally gagged him did say, fact check, this is false, this isn't true. But the fact that the judge needed to point that out, and I just wanted you all to see the transcript of that because I thought it was particularly notable. Let me know if there are other issues that are coming up that you find interesting, that you want to hear more about. I think that addressing certain issues that come up within the testimony or whether, certain rulings that the judge makes can be particularly illuminating. So let me know. And again, thanks for being here. Leave questions in the comments and like and follow for more.